Did you know that you could fit 1 million Earths inside the Sun? Welcome to our AZ space adventure, a whimsical journey through the cosmos. Starting with A for asteroids, these are rocky, airless remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system about 4.5 billion years ago. They can be found mainly in the asteroid belt, a region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. B is for black holes. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are mysterious and captivating, reminding us of the immense power of the universe. Next up is C for comets. Comets are icy bodies in space that heat up and emit gases when they come close to the sun, creating a glowing coma around them and often a tail. D stands for dwarf planets. These are like regular planets but smaller. The most famous dwarf planet is probably Pluto, which was once considered the 9th planet in our solar system. E is for exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. Thousands of these have been discovered, and who knows, maybe one of them could be the next Earth. F is for falling stars or meteors. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it burns up and looks like a star falling from the sky. Moving on to G for galaxies. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy, but there are billions more galaxies out there, each with millions or billions of stars. H stands for Hubble Telescope, a space telescope that has provided some of the most detailed images of distant galaxies ever seen. IE is for International Space Station, a large spacecraft in orbit around Earth where astronauts live and work. J is for Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, known for its great red spot, a storm that has been raging on the planet for at least 300 years. K is for Kepler, a space telescope that has discovered more than 2,000 exoplanets. L stands for light year, the distance that light travels in 1 year, about 6 trillion miles. M is for Mars, the red planet. It's the next-door neighbor of Earth, and scientists believe it may have once held life. N is for Neptune, a gas giant and the farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. O is for Orion, a prominent constellation visible throughout the world. P is for Pluto, a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, a ring of bodies beyond Neptune. Q is for Quasars. They are the brightest objects in the universe, powered by black holes at the center of galaxies. R is for rockets, the vehicles that carry astronauts and satellites into space. S stands for satellites, objects that orbit around planets. Some are natural, like moons, and some are made by people. T is for telescopes, tools that allow us to see far into space, from nearby planets to distant galaxies. U is for Uranus, a planet with a unique sideways rotation, unlike any other planet. Moving on to V for Venus, the second planet from the Sun and the hottest planet in our solar system. W is for White Dwarfs, the remains of stars that have exhausted their fuel. X marks the spot for X-ray Astronomy, a field of astronomy that observes the universe in X-ray wavelengths. Y is for year, as in a light year, the incredible distance that light can travel in a single year. Finally, Z is for Zenith, the point in the sky directly overhead. In this journey, we've explored everything from asteroids to Zenith. We've traveled to black holes and dwarf planets, learned about comets and exoplanets, and marveled at the power of quasars. We've visited Mars and Venus, soared with satellites, and looked deep into space with telescopes. This adventure has only scratched the surface of the vast universe. Just remember, every night under the stars is a chance to dream, explore, and imagine what's out there.